Okay, 2020 Mack Anthem. It's got a 4 1/4 M7 Mack engine with a M-Drive 12-speed automatic transmission, 12,000 front, 40 rears, full lockers on the rear. It's supposed to have adaptive cruise control. I see the sensors missing, so this one might not have adaptive. And so I'd say maybe this one does not have adaptive. I don't see the sensor on the side here for lane either. We'll look inside and see if the sensor's there. So maybe this one just didn't have the sensors. 275-gallon fuel tanks. Disc brakes the whole way around. Air ride cab, air ride suspension. So let me know if you have any questions.